Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Correct Motorsports. We're going to be showing you how to install our Grille Pin Stripe on this 2020 Subaru Legacy. You're going to get a pre-cut for both sides, P for passenger side, and the D is unmarked on this one, which is going to be the driver's side. And basically this is going to follow, if you feel, you're going to have this upper face and then it's going to bend down to the front face. It's going to follow right along this and tuck into the corner. What you're going to need to install this, we have a spray bottle full of water and rubbing alcohol. I also have a squeegee. This one has a leather edge to it. If you don't have something along these lines, you could use a normal squeegee wrapped in a microfiber. It's going to get the same effect. We already cleaned the grill surface. We're going to peel this, spray down the grill, and then actually just squeegee out the water from behind the film. So I'm going to start on the driver's side here. So once you get it aligned to where you want it at, just go ahead and hold, and then start to squeegee out the water from behind the film. So now that that side is applied, we're going to move over to the the passenger side for that matter. Same process. Clean, squeegee, spray. Pretty basic. I don't know if you noticed, the film was actually moving around quite good on that one because pretty sure this spray bottle has a little bit of soap in it. If you do have something that has soap, it will allow you to slide it around a little bit more than if you just use the rubbing alcohol and the water. But the drawback to doing it this way is it is a little bit tougher to get it to set at first, just because you have that soap in there. So you can see it's still squiggling around on me. If you do use this method with the rubbing alcohol, it's not going to move on you like this is right now. But you get the same effect, it just takes a little bit longer to do it this way. So you get all that water and soap from behind the film. So once you do have this set, I would say probably wait an hour to two before driving the car, just so it does thoroughly dry out. I mean, depending on your temperature, it's going to dry out quicker or slower. Obviously the colder temperatures are going to dry out slower. But that's the general basic application there. It's pretty straightforward. Probably take you maybe 10 minutes or so to do. This is the red option. We do have this available in a variety of different color options depending on your preference. These will work on the 2020 and up Legacy. I have not confirmed the fitment on the Outback yet. If you do see it listed on our site, that means it works on the Outback as well. But pretty straightforward process. If you want to check out our other videos, we have a couple other things for this car, including the window chrome delete, headlight on the sides, fog light, and then the tail lamp overlays as well. Products are available on our website. There is a link in the product or in the video description below. Thanks for watching.